Yeah, we even stopped somewhere different on the way back.
Did you?
Want to go see it? Come on, let's go.
Go back there on the back.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That's why you call it a tail dragger.
Oh my.
You like it?
Do you like it?
Go look at it. You want to sit in it?
We had a lot of fun.
How's the view? The view's pretty great, huh?
It's beautiful. Seeing all the the little places people have are gorgeous.
I know.
And all the lakes. And
Where did you get the sign from?
This is.
that's
Got it from right there.
Squishy.
Well, let us know. Is it squishy?
It's okay.
Sit your hiney down
That's
on it.
comfortable.
Yeah. Want to try the earphones on?
No, fine.
No, you're fine. That's cute. Are you think you're fine? You can stay right there. Grandma.
You want to get out?
Grandma, come around. See this? Look at this. This is what Grammy. This is what Grandma wears.
What?
This is what Grandma wears, so I can hear Grandpa talk. Yeah, I put them on like this.
And she says, hey, Grandpa, step on it. Right?
So you only stopped once between Georgia and here, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I thought.
Yeah. We had a better time than we thought.
Today we have.
FaceTime.
That's the engine monitor. Tells all the stuff about the engine and monitors each of the cylinders. Radio, transponder.
Hey, put that game down.
Sweet baby.
Yeah.
To 635 or so
Oh, that's not terrible.
a gallon.
I thought it was going to be worse than that.
Yeah.
It's like $80 every time you fill it up, though.
Talking to Grandpa.
Yeah, but that's like a big SUV, though.
Yeah.
I mean, shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys can take a road trip and not blink at it, really. It's okay.
Yeah.
Or an air trip.
That's
I mean,
pretty cool.
everybody is so nice. All these little airports you land at,
Yeah.
some of them are self-serve. Some
What?
they will come out in the golf cart and pick you up. They give you a loaner car to go get dinner.
Pretty fast.
Really?
They're so nice. Yeah.
It goes about as fast as your car does.
Yeah, we don't go very fast. Yeah.
Well, I
Sometimes
mean,
on
What
our
is it?
first leg, we were being passed on the interstate.
And the birds go faster than we
And
do
birds
sometimes.
passed us.
So,
Full up on.
what does it
That's
cost to
Grammy's
stop at an
and
airport?
Grumpy's luggage. That's
If you buy gas, it doesn't cost anything a lot. Have landing fees.
I can
So.
only take
Yeah.
a little bit, Grandpa said. I can't take a whole lot.
But if you stop to buy gas, it doesn't cost anything.
I
No.
can bring
That's pretty neat.
my
Yeah, or they don't charge you to tie down overnight.
Yeah, no.
Everywhere we go, they gave us courtesy cars. One place gave us this
But they
car
don't have any shops.
without a license plate.
Oh, yeah.
oh no.
We took it into town and we pulled into the hotel, and the hotel was Days Inn or something, I forget. But
Yeah.
there must have been like 20 law enforcement vehicles in the
Oh
parking lot.
no. You're like, great.
So we back in so they can't see.
And when we're walking back, I'm
What's
going,
this
you know,
button do?
that didn't have a license
That button-
plate on it.
Well, that button,
when we left to go eat, we came back, we backed in.
to the tower,
pretty
to
funny.
the people and say, can we land now?
So,
And they'll
Hey,
do
like-
all the
Pretty cool.
reporting.
Me too. I wish I could have been here when they came in, but Dad says he's all done flying for a couple of days. He won't take Vivien out. So he said he wants to practice. He wants to practice a little more. Silly man. But anyway, that's okay. I mean, we'll be here. So he's gonna ride us down to the hangar in the airplane.
That's probably a real good way to, you know.
Yeah. It'll be good for Viv. I will. Come here, Grandma.
Say heck no, Grandma.
Okay.
You're not in the airplane.
All right, Dad. Yeah, I'm here.
Cried almost the whole way here.
All righty, well,
I miss everything.
we'll give you a call. What's that? Yeah.
I'm talking about your daughter, not your granddaughter.
I know it was probably a little nerve-wracking as well as fun, but they're here. Yeah. So, and you know how Dad is. Serious, he's got everything, you know, it's gonna be right, so. Yeah.
Hey, I see it in the window.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go in there if you want.
So anyway, okay, well, he's just getting topped off his gas tank right now, and then So we'll go where we got where the guy's gonna go. Park it. And figure out what we're gonna do.
We're gonna have a picnic. Let me figure out what we're gonna do.
Okay, bye.
You and Grandpa, me and Daddy gonna have a picnic.
And Mommy.
Yes, we can, darling.
Whatever you guys
We'll
feel.
go open up the so you can see the hangar
Yeah.
and see how you feel, or see, you know, we can see how warm it is in there, or whatever. We can do whatever. Is it always?
Oh, we got the refreshing beverage. The heat won't matter.
After that after that first day, I
You have your
chugged a
choice.
whole bottle of wine.
Go stand
You
up.
have your choice of alcoholic beverage. You can have beer or you can have.
Grandpa,
What do we make?
Grandpa,
Lemon,
come back
vodka.
over here.
Thyme lemonade.
Thyme.
Vodka thyme lemonade.
Yeah, the lemon with that thyme, simple syrup. So, yeah, we thought maybe that would help you.
We brought fancy glasses. Hey, baby.
Maybe don't throw those rocks, sweetie.
Nah, they're there for a reason. Alright, I'm tired of holding this.
Oh yeah, you don't have to. You don't have to video that.
Sure I do.
Yeah.
Vivi, they're gonna put a leash on Grandpa's airplane so it doesn't run away.
No, it's not. Oh, yes.
Hey, go out there and give Grandpa a big hug. Go. Go ahead. Go ahead, Vivi. Go. Go. Go ahead, baby. Go on out there.
Mommy, I'll take her.
She's got it.
That little airplane. There he goes again. He just kept tossing around, doesn't he?
That airplane's bigger than your dad's. Yeah. Yes, it is.
See that little wire coming down on the front? The ground, or that part,
Yeah, heard about that, yeah. If y'all were walking up there, I thought we were talking about it. Have you been up there?
Get her to wave. Hey, don't you stick your tongue out at me. His hat's a lie. It says 737. Hey, how you doing? pretty quiet. Now, you kept him off the telephone while he was flying, right? Okay. Did you call somebody?
But I was able to do a little texting.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when we got service. A lot of places we didn't have service, but
So there's something wrong with their gate, huh?
yeah.
This is pretty neat.
See a little blonde head there. He's a little bitty thing down there.
Oh, I see her and Mommy good. All right, bye-bye. See you in a second.
Yeah. This is so cool. Yeah. Yeah, Vivi, I think she's going to be good to go. She likes talking to Grandpa. So, yeah. I don't know if that could be bad, but for Dad.
Yeah.
She'll have to have rules and guidelines.
Yeah, yeah. It's serious business.
You look good. Looks good. You're good to go. You're clear.
Room that was air conditioned.
Ooh, cool.
Because it's dangerous, it might start up. And this is the engine, and the engine could be very hot. So like that hot, that would burn, so never touch it. No, it's hot because we just taxied it. We just were running the engine over it.
Here's your spot. Take a sip.